Today's skill building will help us get ready for our question on the quiz. We have one problem today. This is it, and it is really easy. I'm supposed to find the x, y, and z intercepts for this. This is a plane in three-dimensional space. So to find the x-intercept, not only is y 0, but z is 0 too. So to find the x-intercept, I set everybody equal to 0 except x. So I'm going to have 5x plus 10 times 0 minus 6 times 0 equal to 30. So I have a 0 there and a 0 there. This turns out to be 5x equals 30. Divide by 5, x is equal to 6. Now, when I write my answer, I need to write it as an ordered triple. Triples are x, y, z. So x is first, y was 0, z is 0. So my x-intercept is 6, 0, 0. Guess what? Same thing for all the next ones. Y-intercept. This time x is 0, z is 0. So here we go. 5 times 0 plus 10y minus 6 times 0 equals 30. 0 there, 0 there, so 10y equals 30. Y equals 3 if I divide everything by 10. Again, we want to write it as an ordered triple. So y is in the middle, x, y, z. X is 0, y is 3, z is 0. Last one, z-intercepts. So this time x is 0, and y is 0. So here we go. 5 times 0 plus 10 times 0 minus 6z equals 30. 0 there, 0 there. Be careful, 6 is negative. So negative 6z equals 30. Divide by negative 6, both sides. Z equals negative 5. Again, write as an ordered triple. X is 0, y is 0, z was negative 5. So there are my three intercepts. X-intercept, y-intercept, z-intercept. Make sure you write them as ordered triples in order to receive all your points. Thank you, that's it. Bye-bye.